Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and anybody else that's watching. It's your boy Jay Stein coming at you with a very early edition of the Jay Stein YouTube thing that I do. Things are pretty flat right now for the most part. Again, it's really early. My coffee cup is completely full. A few things on the radar that are actually kind of did catch my attention. The 10-year yield, it did jump up. It's at 1.738. Now that's kind of weird, given the news that the Fed gave yesterday, hence my concern of why I was going to be concerned about purchasing anything today, just because of the flip-flop that happens with the market and the nature of the digestion of information that comes from the Fed. So that's spiking up, so I'm definitely going to keep an eye on that. However, the VIX is staying low. It's under 20 as of right now, which is good, because like I always tell people, look, if we start seeing the VIX start spiking well above 20 and the markets are running flat, we got a problem. That means somebody knows something that we don't. So the VIX is staying low. That's okay for right now. Oil is trading a little higher. It's at $64, almost $65. So it's edging its way up. And that, I believe, is going to continue to be the trend, especially if there's a catalyst. Bitcoin, 58,000, baby. 58,000 probably is going higher. So let's see. I mean, it's still holding that channel. I'm ready for that next leg up. I'm excited for it and ready to get it done. We got some earnings coming out, some pretty interesting earnings. Dollar General, believe it or not, Dollar General in this particular economy is extremely important in terms of retail, because people don't have as much money, so people shop at places they can save money, hence Dollar General. So I'm real interested to see what they can do, or what they have done, I should say. Petco, they're also releasing their earnings, which is going to be interesting given their competition. I used to use Chewy, and I used Chewy last time, but only because they sent me a coupon. Chewy, here's the problem with Chewy. They need a reward system, not I forget exactly how they do it, but basically for every dollar you spend, you earn 5 cents type system. If Chewy were to do that, I would use them exclusively. However, I use Amazon instead because I can get the exact same thing delivered for free, along with all the other crap I order off of Amazon, which is mostly crap I don't need. But anyways, so there's no real reason for me to use Chewy, which makes me then wonder who's using Petco. So that makes me question, out of just just curiosity, what's paid. Signet Jewelry. I guess a lot of people are getting married now. Maybe it's like COVID baby time. Like, oh my God, I'm 8 months pregnant with the COVID baby. Maybe I should get married. I think a lot of that might be happening right now. So, because I'm surprised baby rates have not gone up like dramatically, like Netflix and chill, like COVID and chill. Like, what the hell, man? It's going to be like a whole little generation of COVID babies running around. I don't know. Anyways, Canadian Solar, they're also reporting today. One of my core positioned ETFs is a solar-based ETF that does have Canadian Solar in it. So not that one earnings call is going to change the entire ETF, although it's a trend of the market or the industry. So I'm very interested to see that. Then later on today, we've got Nike. I don't wear Nike, okay? I wear Asics for my running shoes, and then Polo and Lacoste for my cool shoes. Anyways, so they're reporting. I'm not sure what to expect from those guys. I personally don't buy or sell Nike. People are not going out. People are not being as fashionable as they were, say, a year ago. So it wouldn't shock me if their numbers are down. But at the same time, what do I know? Seriously, what do I know? Federal Express is coming out. Their numbers are going to be interesting again. The shipments of the vaccine, I think, are going to play a big part in their conference call. And Ollie's, which the same dynamics of Dollar General. They're a bargain, shopping place where you go, the closeout type special store. So those are going to be interesting earnings calls. Otherwise, news-wise right now at this hour, there's just not a lot going on. Like I said, the markets are pretty flat for the most part. The S&P is actually down just a little bit, which is not exactly what I like to see, but it doesn't make me feel all warm and fuzzy. Kind of just makes me feel blah, like I'm just going to drink some more coffee. And otherwise, guys, look, there's going to be plenty more news coming out today. I'm going to keep you posted. It's your boy, Jay Stein, early morning edition. Much love. I'll see you guys later.